Here we go. This is Mount Mara. I think it was. No, Revolution. It's so dark. That's a spinning lift hill. Ah, okay, it's a clock. Let's see if you can see this. But this is so strange. This is so strange. This is the longest train on a roller coaster in the world. It's so long. Okay, here we go. This is Revolution at Bobbejaanland. Oh, the train is so long, this is so strange. I think we're gonna get speed soon. Here we go. Oh my god, it's so dark. This gets quite some speed. Yeah, that's it. That was Revolution. Look at the length of this station. High five, high five. Look at the length of this station. I am not joking. This roller coaster has 30 trains and it's the longest one in the world. Oh my god. No, it's not done. Still have quite a bit to go to the end here.